The birth is almost complete. This is how an ordinary pencil is born. Cedar wood is cut into perfect pencil-sized blocks. Two ancient materials begin their transformation. Every block is violently cleaned of dirt and oils. Now the wood is ready for surgery. Graphite becomes the heart of every pencil. Grooves are carved with surgical precision. Wood and graphite become one forever. The pencil is born from fire and pressure. One tiny mistake and the entire core shatters. Layer after layer creates that signature finish. Now the pencil receives its metal crown. The eraser is locked in place forever. Inside lies the perfected writing core. Every surface is brought to perfection. Final shaping under tons of pressure. The body is now battle-ready. Temperature and tension are perfectly balanced. Thousands born every single minute.
one pencil every fraction of a second. The birth is almost complete. The pencil is sealed against time. Nothing escapes the machine's judgment.
One imperfection, and it is instantly destroyed.
The pencils find their final home. Sealed and ready for human hands. From raw earth to tool of creation. Millions will write the future with these. Precision, power, perfection.
From factory to American store shelves.
A child discovers their first real pencil.
In schools across America, ideas come alive.
One pencil helps build tomorrow's stories.
Simple tool. Endless human potential.